Hello, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some fancy ramen. Here is everything that you will need. So first, we want to fill a bowl with water and put our ramen in it. And then we're going to put this bowl into the microwave for 5 minutes. While the ramen is cooking, we want to fill a sink up with hot water to thaw out our chicken. And now, while the chicken is thawing and the ramen is cooking, we are going to boil some water so we can drop our eggs into it to make our hard-boiled eggs. And now we can cut up our parsley. And we just want to take off the leaves from the stem. Now that they are off the stem, we're going to just chop them finely. Now we can chop the garlic. Once your garlic is finely chopped, you can put it in a bowl with your chopped up parsley. And now that our water is boiling, you want to pop 2 eggs in for about 7 minutes. We can work on the sauce. You are going to want to add some milk, some mozzarella cheese, your cut up parsley and garlic, and about a tablespoon of butter. And what's good about this recipe is that you don't really need measurements. You can kind of just go on however much you want to add. And you're just going to want to continuously stir this because we do not want the cheese to burn to the bottom of your saucepan. Now once your eggs are boiled for 7 minutes, you're going to take them out and put them in a bowl of cold water. So it stops the cooking process, and then we can easily take the shell off. Once your ramen is done cooking and your sauce is all incorporated and all the cheese is melted into it, we're going to want to add our ramen into the sauce and mix it together. And now once your chicken is thawed, we're just going to want to cut it into cubes. And while our chicken is cooking, we can now take our eggs out and deshell them. When our chicken is done cooking, we can add it to our ramen and our sauce, and we're just going to mix everything together, put it in a bowl for serving, cut your eggs in half, and put them on top. And that is how you make some nice, beginner-friendly ramen.